The key to success in business lies in possessing knowledge that is unique and unknown to others. While only a handful of businesses bask in the luxuries of monopoly power within their designated domains, the majority find themselves navigating global markets that are becoming more interconnected, crowded, and consequently fiercely competitive. Attaining commercial success demands a departure from the ordinary, echoing the wisdom of Greek shipping magnate Aristotle Onassis. Businesses must possess knowledge that eludes everyone else, to carve a distinctive niche and rise above the competition. Confronted by competition, the prevailing strategy for most companies revolves around differentiation. This entails providing customers with something that competitors either cannot or do not offer, a unique selling proposition, USP. Coined by U.S. advertising executive Rosser Reeves in the 1940s, the term encapsulates the pivotal point of distinctive contrast that renders a product marketable at a price surpassing rival offerings. Tangible USPs are challenging to obtain and replicate, contributing to their uniqueness. To thrive in the market, companies must establish a clear distinction for their product or service at every phase of production, spanning from raw material extraction to after-sales service. Examples like Nespresso coffee makers, Crocs footwear, and service providers like Tune Hotels, a hotel group predominantly owned by Asians, showcase robust differentiation strategies, each boasting a compelling, unique selling proposition, USP. The chief advantage of uniqueness, regardless of how it is attained, lies in heightened customer loyalty and enhanced flexibility in pricing. Differentiation acts as a shield, safeguarding products and services from the onslaught of low-priced competition. It not only justifies premium pricing, but also safeguards profitability. Moreover, differentiation provides businesses with the competitive edge necessary to distinguish themselves prominently in the market. Overall, in the highly competitive landscape of global markets, achieving commercial success requires businesses to stand out by possessing unique knowledge or insights. The predominant strategy for companies facing competition is differentiation, offering customers a unique selling proposition that sets their product or service apart. The benefits of uniqueness include increased customer loyalty, flexibility in pricing, and a vital competitive edge in the market.